Hey you guys, this is your girl D Spoiled as TABRON. Welcome back, welcome back. Your girl is glad to be back. I have been MIA and I am back, okay? I have been watching you all's videos while I have been MIA and I'm just glad to be back. So today's topic for this video today is going to be a Fashionphile unboxing slash reveal of some things that I picked up, some for my birthday and some was just a regular pickup. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just get into the reveal part first. So the first thing that I picked up for my birthday was these AirPods. Okay, now there's a story behind that. I originally bought these for my husband, and because he can never keep up with any of them or he always tearing them up. So I was like, okay, let's try something wireless. So I purchased these for him. Come to find out, he ended up losing one in his truck. Then he found it. So he was like, babe, it's not going to work for me. I was like, okay. So I tried it. It didn't feel comfortable for me. So I returned them. Okay, well, maybe a week before my birthday, I was talking with my sister-in-law and she had a pair. She was loving it. She said it fits good. She had to just get used to it. So she was like, maybe you should retry it. So I decided to, okay, let me retry it. I went and repurchased them and I had 2 weeks to make up my mind to see if I liked them or if I wanted to return them. And needless to say, I ended up liking them. I'm still trying to get comfortable with it. After a while, it do hurt in your ear, but I'll take it out and then I'll put it back in and I'm fine. I can only wear one right now. I don't wear both of them at the same time. So as you can see, here is the one that I do wear, and it's always the right ear. I haven't tried wearing it in the left ear yet. So, but needless to say, I do like them. They are handy. They do come in handy sometimes, especially when I'm trying to watch my YouTube videos and it's a lot of noise around me, or I'm around people and I just can't hear my phone from watching it, through the phone. I'll just put the Bluetooth in and it works real good. So here's that. I did like those, I said. The second thing I picked up was, I wanted to add these to my collection because I do have one, but I didn't bring it down. But it was the Megan Hansen books. This one is the Paris Through a Fashion Eye. And it's, like I said, by Megan Hansen. And it's an illustrated book. It has pictures and it has, information about Coco Chanel. So I did pick up this one, and this one is the Paris one. And then I also picked up another one, which is the New York. Like I said, I haven't started reading them yet, so I am going to read them. I did purchase this from Barnes & Nobles. And as you can see, the side of it is gold. And so is this one. I believe I paid $24.99 for them. But I had a coupon too, so it was like 10% off or whatever. So I did use those on these. So this is also something else that I picked up. So lastly but not least, the one we've been waiting. I did open it up here so that it would save me some time because they had it packaged real good. This item did come today at work. It is a small leather good, and it was something that I wanted to add to my collection because the main item that I wanted is on my wish list. I've been stocking it for a while, and it's been on my wish list for maybe about 2-3 years now, and they no longer sell it, so if you want it, you have to get it pre-loved. I'm just waiting to find the one within good condition or one that will stay on Fashionphile long enough for me to purchase it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, we all know how Fashionphile packaging is. They have the Fashionphile right here. They have the logos over here. And they're known for their pretty confetti. Okay. And then I have my receipt in here. And their logo on the envelope right there. They did send me another Fashionphile fingernail file. You can never have too many of these. They sent me a thank you card. The little heart on the back. Okay. And the empty box. We'll set that there. Okay, here is the box, and it is Chanel. Okay, and the label and stuff is over here, and I'll tell you the SKU numbers and everything once I go ahead and show you. It did come with the Fashionphile dust bag. Okay, it also came with the Fashionphile, the Chanel dust bag. Okay, it came with the Chanel little booklet. I didn't realize that it came with that. It didn't say it did, but it's always good to have. So let's put that back in there. And to reveal the item that I did buy was the Chanel key holder in black with silver hardware, and it is caviar. The zipper is smooth. Like I said, it does says Chanel caviar quilted key holder case black, comes with dust bag and authenticity card. And let's see, I didn't even see the, okay. Here's the authenticity card. My camera will focus. Okay. And it is a 25 series. Like I said, I did purchase this to go with one of the items, my main item that's on my wish list. So hopefully I will be able to get my hands on that. And when I do, I will come back and do an unboxing on that. And then I can show you all the Chanel pieces that I do have all together once I get the main one. And here is the, once you remove the tags, the item is yours. And then, you know, eventually you can always sell it back to them for a portion. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here and say what's up. I've been thinking about you all. I've been watching you all's videos, and I am back. I'm glad to be back. So until the next time, you guys, your girl D is out.